CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.1 Explain the basics of computing. Input and output. Now that you understand the overall functions of a computer, let's focus on two of its most visible roles, input and output. These two functions are how users interact with computers in everyday life. Let's start with input. Input occurs when the computer receives data from a user through a peripheral device that connects to and works with a computer. In other words, when you're giving instructions or data to the system, whether by typing, clicking, speaking, or scanning, you're using an input device. Some of the most common input devices include a keyboard, which lets you enter text and commands, a mouse, which captures movement and clicks, a camera, which inputs visual data, and a scanner, which inputs printed documents and images. Each of these devices feeds data into the computer so that it can be processed, stored, or acted upon. Now let's look at the other side of that process, output. Output occurs when the computer displays, plays, or distributes data to a user through a peripheral device that connects to and works with a computer. This is the system's way of communicating results or feedback back to you. Examples of output devices include a monitor, which displays text, images, and video, a speaker, which outputs sound such as music or voice, a printer, which converts digital documents into physical ones, and a projector, which displays computer content on a larger screen for group viewing. If the computer is sending data out to you in any form, the device doing that job is considered an output device. Of course, in today's technology, many devices don't just do one or the other, they do both. These are known as multifunction devices, and they can send and receive data depending on how they're being used. A good example is a headset. It includes a microphone for inputting your voice and headphones for outputting sound. A touch screen is another great example, as it accepts touch gestures like taps and swipes as input, while also acting as a display for visual output. And a multifunction printer can scan documents into the system as an input and then print documents out as an output. So to sum it up, input brings data into the computer, output sends it back out to the user, and some devices do a little bit of both. By recognizing the role of each peripheral device, you will better understand how computers work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.